spaghetti con la pummarola fresca, pasta e fagioli, alice fritta napolitana e finale un bello babarum. And now eat everything because this is the very best in the world. Mangi.
You must be asking yourself, what is going on here? Well, so am I. Well, you guessed right. I'm in Napoli. Pizza, pasta, risotto, antipasti. These are all Italian inventions, the most popular food in the world. I'm in Naples. This is such a beautiful city. You know what they say? See Naples and die.
Cosa fai?
I'm sorry, I'm doing a TV show. I'm in the middle, sorry. Thank you. In the next 24 hours, I am going to eat Naples street food. I'm going to eat just like an Italian.
What you do?
I'm doing a show about street food. I'm sorry, I'm working here, all right? Thank you. I'm going to eat just like an Italian. No, it's okay. I'm okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
In the next 24 hours, I'm going to help.
Best morning.
Well, it's 7:36 in the morning, and here you can't start your morning without some coffee. Italians take their coffee very, very seriously, and they'll have their first morning coffee in coffee shops which have been here since the 7th century. Hello, I'm looking for the professor.
Yes.
You're the professor?
Yes.
I've came a long way to drink your coffee.
This is amazing.
You recommend this?
Yes.
All right, perfect. I'll have one of those then.
Fai un altro caffè alla nocciola.
What's in it?
Caffè, nocciola e crema di caffè.
All right, let's taste it. Salute. Wow. Let's say if you're a bit tired in the morning, after a cup of this, you'll be rocking and jamming.
È una buona
all
carica di energia.
This place is really beautiful. Why is it called the Professors?
Caffè del professore. Allora, ci chiamiamo bar del professore perché un poco perché io vengo dalla musica, essendo un musicista ero professore di musica e quindi abbiamo abbinato più o meno a questo titolo, a questo nome, il caffè. Abbiamo due priorità in questo locale, la musica e il caffè.
What kind of music do you like?
Ma tutte.
Rock and roll?
No, tutte.
No.
Tutte.
Heavy metal?
Poco meno.
No,
ma
that's
tutti
not
generi.
your style.
That's
Opera?
Opera, sì.
Opera. Can you sing? Just a bit?
No.
Just a bit. Do they sing? No? No?
O solo mia.
Ah. How many different kinds of coffee do you have here?
Noi qua attualmente facciamo circa 63 tipi di caffè.
All right, so I've only had one, so maybe I'll have a macchiato.
Ti vuole nella tazzina o abbiamo un prodotto particolare? Dammi una cialda.
An edible macchiato? Wow.
Cioccolata e
With
biscotti.
chocolate and a cone. Of course I want it in this. I have only 24 hours to eat everything you have in this city, so I'll have a quick sip of this. Just need to finish eating up my coffee. Thank you very, very much. Ciao. Oh. Forgot my hat. Ciao.
Ciao.
Oh, wait, hang on. Grazie. Eat and drink, for tomorrow you may die. This is the motto of the people of Naples. And this is because of the constant threat of the volcano Vesuvio that can erupt at any moment and erase this place in an instant. But this is not only bad news. Because of the volcano, the soil here is very fertile, and this affects and enhances the quality of the fruits and vegetables that are delivered every morning to this market. Buongiorno.
Ciao.
I want your best prosciutto. What kind of prosciutto you have here?
Prosciutto Parma, tutto Parma.
All this is the same.
Sì, sì.
Same. Can I taste the prosciutto? Grazie.
Questo è prosciutto crudo di Parma. Ok,
Bene. Bene?
bene?
Bene.
Buono.
Buono. Bene. Buono. Buono.
Buono.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Which fish here are from Napoli?
Alici,
Alici. With marinata?
Marinata.
Which kind of marinata?
limone, olio, aglio,
okay.
prezzemolo
Oh.
e peperoncino.
How long is it in the marinade?
4 ore.
4 hours and it's ready to eat. There you go. Good.
Good, good.
Yeah, that's how I make it. Very
Okay.
good. Yeah.
Com'è? Buono.
Oh, buono, very nice. Okay, salmona.
Good,
Woo-hoo-hoo.
good.
Grazie, grazie. Blue, blue, blue. Oh my God! It's Bart Simpson with a beard. Do you like fish?
Yes.
Do you like fish? Here you go.
Thank you.
Okay. This business,
Sì.
it's a family business?
Famiglia.
Where's your family?
Figlia.
Ah, pleasure, pleasure.
Figlio.
Figlio?
Sorella.
Ah, your wife.
Wife.
Ah, give her a kiss. Oh, beautiful. This is my camera. Scusa. Fotografia. No, just to hold this. Yeah, hold.
Ah, Polizia.
Okay, okay, okay. Uno, due, tre. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
What is this?
This is type.
Can I taste?
Yes.
Yes. Good. So what is this?
This is stomach.
There's one type of stomach and you have the other
And
stomach.
This is stomaco.
Stomaco. What's the origin of this dish?
Ma questa è un'origine, questo è tradizionale proprio, è proprio tradizionale napoletano. Questi sono piatti tipici. Questo a Napoli viene consumato molto. Viene consumato più con il limone, più all'insalata, che fatto con la salsa o a zuppa. Così è più consumato, perché piace. Poi è un cibo di strada, viene mangiato per strada, che io te lo do, tu ti metto sale e limone e lo mangi per strada.
But I'm here. We're gonna eat all you have.
Oh mamma mia, prima
Mamma
Maria fai
mia.
magnomus.
Cheers. Grazie.
Ciao.
So fantastico. So this is real history here. One of the last places in Naples that still serves this trippa salata, which is all the leftovers you have from the cow. Very good. Good?
Napoletano originale. Ok.
Yes. Buongiorno.
Prego. Ciambella? Calda.
Grazie. What does ciambella mean?
Pasta fritta.
Ok. Buon appetito.
Grazie.
Fantastico. Bellissimo. Grazie.
Thank you.
Superbo. Bravissimo. Bravissimo.
Now, pasta. The very best in the world. Go.
Well, the Italians say, he who eats alone dies. Alone. And so I'm meeting for lunch my good friend, the well-known chef Don Alfonso, who has a 3-star Michelin restaurant. But today, he decided to take me out to one of his favorite restaurants in Napoli. Now, when Don Alfonso invites you to lunch, you don't refuse. Capisci?
friend, how are you?
Alfonso, it's such an honor to be here again. So, why did you choose this place?
This is the best restaurant in town for traditional.
Napoli style.
Napoli style.
All right.
We
After
go.
you, sir.
Hey, come stai? Bene.
Hello, nice to meet you. This is the founder of this restaurant, and he's your family?
Papa.
All right. Listen, I mean, I see the fish and I see the desserts here, and I'm already, I'm getting very. So how about we go straight to the kitchen?
We go.
Okay.
It's over there.
So what are we making?
Vesuvio di Paccheri. Paccheri, the shape of pasta.
And what would be the sauce?
Fresh tomatoes from Vesuvius. Because
Vesuvius, the volcano.
Yes.
This Vesuvio tomato, it's like candy.
We put a little white wine. And after we put the tomatoes, and we leave it to cook at least 2 hours of the oven.
It's very smooth. I see you use dry pasta.
Here is very traditional dry pasta.
So it's ready?
We use to cook for 2-3 minutes maximum.
Why so?
And why? Because after we have to bake to finish it.
All right.
This is cut mozzarella.
Okay. This is exciting, really.
It's exciting.
So what would be the next step now?
He is now mixing
Cheese.
fresh peas and ricotta cheese.
Why is there so much cheese in Italian cooking?
The South Italy is very rich of this kind of cheese. And we use our proteins are coming from cheese.
Next step,
This is beef.
miniature meatballs, and they are fried.
And after we use boiled eggs.
God, this looks so good.
After we cover with the mashed mozzarella.
So now we take this cupcake and
We
where
go
does
to
it
bake now.
All right, into the oven it goes. Bye-bye, see you in a bit. For how long is it going to be in the oven?
15 minutes. Okay.
I see. Beautiful.
We did some mozzarella sauce and basilic sauce.
It looks like the Vesuvius, like the volcano. Perfecto. Alfonso, my friend, I'm so happy to be in Napoli.
This is the food to enjoy.
Why don't we just go eat? All right. Fantastic. The cheese is wonderful. In your opinion, this represents Napoli?
Yes, the ingredients, the tradition, all mixing together.
And it makes you remember the volcano
color.
that's always there. Fantastic. Ice cream was invented in China, but gelato belongs to the Italians. If you ask a chap in Naples, what do you prefer? Vanilla ice cream or maybe chocolate? He'll probably tell you,
Gelato artigianale. It's like a best.
yes, which means only handmade.
Fine, here. I'm with you here.
Yes,
Don't worry.
of course. Thank you. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
I want to understand the secrets of the ice cream of Naples. I've heard it's the best in the world.
The best in the world is here,
Yes.
in this place.
I know that you won a prize for the best ice cream.
Yes.
What is the difference between this ice cream and, say, American ice cream?
The process is different. This is made with fresh milk, fresh fruits.
All from the area, from
Yes,
Naples?
yes.
Every day you get new ice cream?
new ice cream.
And how many different flavors do you have?
34 different flavors.
What's your most popular ice cream here?
Benevento. It's made with strega liquor. You like it?
I love it. Wow. It has this liqueur
hazelnut.
taste, but it's very subtle, and the chocolate, and it has these little hazelnuts. Is this an invention of Napoli?
Fantasia Gelati, of this place.
Oh.
And also our fruits is made with fresh fruit.
Let's
Faccio
taste some,
assaggiare un po' di melone, melone.
Melon. Fantastic.
That's
fresh. You really feel it's fresh. Let's taste some coffee ice cream,
Yes.
please.
Yeah.
And maybe we'll have it in a cone. Many people make the mistake of thinking that ice cream was invented in Italy, but that is not true. If you ask any Italian, he'll tell you that the ice cream was invented in
Sicily. In Sicily.
In Sicily,
Not
of
in
course.
Sicily.
Because they're scared to say otherwise.
No.
No, it's true.
Maybe the Arabian people.
Grazie. It tastes exactly like a cappuccino, just much more cozy and cuddly and so smooth. And I'm gonna finish my coffee ice cream. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Hey, dove vai? Dove vai?
Naples became a romantic city thanks to its picturesque port. Young couples come here to snuggle and watch the Golf de Napoli, feeling like the new Romeo and Juliet.
Andiamo!
Hello.
Hello, hi.
I'm very excited and a bit in awe because I know that in this place the pizza margherita was invented.
Yes, it was invented in 1889 by Mr. Raffaele Esposito, that was the pizza maker at this time. The story says that Mr. Raffaele Esposito and his wife, Maria Giovanna Brandi, went to Capo di Monte in the house of the king and made pizza with tomato, with mozzarella cheese and basil. It's the tricolor of the Italian flag.
White,
Red,
and green.
And when the queen asked to the man, what is the name of this dish? The man say, in your honor, Margherita.
Oh, is that her? This is Margherita.
Margherita.
Beautiful. She looks nothing like the pizza, does she?
You want to try to make a pizza?
Yes, very much.
Let's go.
Okay, I'm ready. So, where do we start? Is this a specific type of dough?
Yes.
Is there a secret behind it?
Oh, I cannot.
Oh, just give us, oh man, just give us a little hint.
Okay, the dough must sleep about 12 hours.
Okay. Originally, it's a very simple food. I mean,
Yeah.
it's a street food. Because of this margherita pizza, it became from a simple people's pizza, it became suddenly royal.
Because this is simple. The better thing is the simple thing.
The genius is
Yes,
always
the
in
genius.
the simplicity. Okay, mozzarella. Do you need to put love into it? Amore. Amore pizza.
Amore pizza.
Amore pizza.
And now, right.
Yes! Ah! Now, how long do we wait?
60 to 90 seconds.
Wow. That's really quick. Usually pizza takes 10 minutes, you know, 7 minutes, 8 minutes.
No. Just ready.
God. Anzo. It's so beautiful, Anzo. Okay, kiss me. Oh. Okay, let's eat.
But this is royal pizza, and you need a royal seat. Oh, your friend, I'm waiting for you. Let's go.
My friend.
Yeah, my friend. Follow me.
Mangia! This is the best pizza in the world.
Well, it's late. Had my pizza, I've had my pasta. Feel a bit heavy. Could use something that will kind of clean up my digestive system and revive me. So I think I'll do what every Italian does. A nice small glass of some magical limoncello. Hello.
Hello.
Wow, what a smell. Oh my God.
You are in the lemon land.
Yes, I can feel it now. I see why it's called limonini.
You are in a factory where we produce limoncello and crema di limone. If you want, I can let you taste just a little bit.
Do I want, she asks. Of course I want. Salute.
Salute.
Ah, wow.
It gives you energy.
Very powerful stuff. So let's see how it's made then.
Okay.
Yes, doctor. Where do we begin?
Be careful, because we don't have to take the white part, which is too bitter.
Okay. Yes, is that okay?
You're not so good. Yes.
Oh, no. And this is what we use in order to prepare
Yes,
the limoncello?
that's all we use.
That's all. So what do we do with the peels then?
We just put the peels in pure alcohol, and they stay in alcohol 7-8 days. And here you can see the peels that have been already used. Now they are dried. Dried because the alcohol evaporates, but you can smell.
Wow.
Yes, it's very strong.
All right, we'll put these back in.
Yes, so after we have eliminated the peels,
Okay.
we have got a final infusion which is 90%.
90%
So be
alcohol.
careful because it's going to purify you.
All right, in
Yeah.
here. Oh my God. This is... Wow, good thing you have this handle there to... Excuse me. Ah, this is very nice.
Yes, this is
Veronica.
not limoncello yet. You like that?
I like it
You
very
like
much.
it, okay.
Yes. What's next?
We dilute,
Okay, how do we do that then?
adding sugar and water. Quantities are according to our recipe, and we arrive at 32% in the final
Exactly.
product. Yes.
So how do you make it so precise then?
There is a machine which tells us exactly the final degree.
You make it all sound very simple. But what is the secret?
You should
What
live
is-
in Naples. You should have a family who hands the recipe from father to son.
That's not fair. I can't choose where to be born, and I want to make some
Well, but
limoncello.
you can come here and drink whenever you want.
I will do
That's
that.
a good idea.
I will definitely do that.